beyond our galaxy. Our solar system. Space. A place where humans have looked up at the night sky for centuries. And wondered. Are we really alone here in this vast universe that never seems to end? Does life just exist here on this lonely planet called Earth, the third planet from the star called the Sun? Or, as many questions have been asked before, is there life, as elsewhere as well as ours? Astronomers in the past, like Galileo Galilei, Nicholas Copernicus, Tycho Brahe, these astronomers turned their telescopes towards the night sky and searched our solar system to see if there could be life on other planets other than just our own. These past astronomers had explored our planets in the solar system and even had them named. But, can you name the 9 planets that exist in our solar system? Here is a picture of the 9 planets that exist in our solar system today. The first 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, as seen here in this picture. The outer 5 planets are called Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, as seen here in this picture. Perhaps the best way to learn the name of the planets is to say them over and over again. First, learn the first 4 planets till you know them well, and then learn the last 5 planets, saying them over and over until you know them all by name. Here are the planets in our solar system and the name of each one. This is what Tycho Brahe's solar system eventually looked like. And this is what the Copernicus solar system eventually looked like. But for now, we are going to look at our own planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the star we call the Sun. Earth is located some 93 million miles from the Sun. Earth has been around for thousands of years. Earth has one satellite that circles it called the Moon. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has intelligent life form called humans. The population of Earth in the 21st century is about 6 billion human beings. The Earth has both day and night time. Earth has a 24-hour cycle for which it rotates every day. Earth circles around the sun at about 364 days in a year. Earth has 4 seasons. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Earth has 7 seas and 5 continents where humans live on the continents. Earth has other life forms as well that help humans exist on this planet. Earth's satellite, the Moon, is located some 264,000 miles away from it. The Moon circles the Earth about once every 27.3 days and can be seen in a full like this picture here once every 30 days. Earth's moon affects the tidal waves on its oceans. Here is what the continents look like from space looking down on planet Earth. Without the sun and the exact position of the Earth and where it is located at in our solar system today, life would cease to exist. Earth got a lot of attention from science fiction shows like Lost in Space, Star Trek, Buck Rogers, but for now, you Earthlings, it's time for a brief PSA or public service announcement from your local community television station. And we will be right back with more of Beyond Our Galaxy. Welcome back to this part of the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. On this part of this show, we will now explore the other planets nearest to Earth. Can you remember what the name of the first 4 planets are called? Here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. astronomers use telescopes to study the planets in the sky at nighttime. But modern day astronomers have now used something more sophisticated than just the telescope. The astronomers use spacecraft called the Voyager and Mariner spacecraft to study the planets up close.
10, 9,
The launch of a Delta rocket with a Mariner spacecraft on board.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Here is a picture of what of NASA's Mariner spacecraft looked like. The Mariner spacecraft had 12 missions. The Mariner spacecraft were powered by what is called solar panels. Mariner 1 was launched on July 22nd, 1962. Mariner 1 was a failure, but then Mariner 2 took over and flew to planet Mercury. Mariner 2 spacecraft. Here is the direction for which the Mariner would fly to Mercury. Here is planet Mercury. Mercury is the first planet closest to the Sun. It has no moons, it has no atmosphere, it has no known life form on it. Mercury is 36 million miles from the Sun. It circles the Sun every 88 days. The temperature on planet Mercury is up to 950 degrees on the sunny side, down to minus 346 degrees on the night side. No human being could survive on planet Mercury. Planet Mercury in the sunset sky. Mariner 2 mission to Venus. Mariner 2 arrives to Venus. Planet Venus, second planet from the Sun. Planet Venus, no moons, no life forms known, 67.24 million miles from the Sun. Circles the Sun 225 days. Here's a picture of planet Venus in the night sky. Planet Venus is the smallest object in a night picture. Planet Venus. Temperature from anywhere of 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 396 degrees Fahrenheit. Planet Venus has what is called the greenhouse gas effect. Temperature would be as high as 864 degrees hot. No human being could survive planet Venus. Our last stop in the inner planets of our solar system is planet Mars. Mariner 6 and 7 flew to Mars to explore this one we call the Red Planet. These spacecraft were launched on February 24th, 1969 and March 21st, 1969. Mars, 2 moons, circles the sun in 687 Earth days, rotates like the Earth in 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 23 seconds. Planet Mars has polarized caps, both north and south pole, and it is believed that water could possibly exist here. Here is a night picture of planet Mars. There have been many fairy tales told about planet Mars, but for you Earthlings, it is time for another brief PSA or public service announcement from your local community television station, and we will be right back with more of Beyond Our Galaxy.
Exhilarating exercise, competitive excitement, rewarding experiences. Put every member of your family on the fast track with Michigan BMX. Admissions free and equipment affordable. Get the gang together for a fun, wild ride. Get the jump now on a track near you at mibmx.com.
Welcome back to the rest of the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. We will now visit the outer planets. We will now visit Jupiter. Here is a picture of the Mariner spacecraft flying towards the outer planets beyond the asteroid belt. The most popular spot on Jupiter is the big red spot. Here is a picture of Jupiter looking from one of its many moons. Planet Jupiter, the 5th planet from the Sun. 64 moons. Distance from the Sun, 483.88 million miles. Chemical makeup. Colored dust. Hydrogen. Helium, methane, water, and ammonia. Circles the sun every 12 years. Temperature is 234 degrees Fahrenheit. Rotates in 9 hours, 55 minutes. Now we will fly to the next largest planet in the solar system. Flying to Saturn. Planet Saturn. Distance from the Sun, 887.14 million miles. 31 moons. Circles the sun 29.5 years. Rotates 10 hours, 40 minutes, 24 seconds. Here is a picture of some of Saturn's moons. Perhaps the most notable thing about Saturn is its 7 rings that surround the middle of it. But for now, it's time to fly to planet Uranus. Planet Uranus, 7th planet from the Sun. 27 moons, rotates every 17.24 hours. 1.78 billion miles from the Sun. Next, we will visit planet Neptune. The Voyager 2 spacecraft has taken many beautiful pictures like this one of Neptune. Planet Neptune is one big blue planet. Here is another view of planet Neptune from one of the moons. Here is a comparison of the 4 biggest planets in our solar system. Our final planetary visit is to planet Pluto. Here, New Horizons spacecraft as it leaves Jupiter and eventually will visit Pluto. Here is planet Pluto with another possible planet called Charon. Planet Pluto, 9th planet from the Sun. No moons, rotates on its axis 59 Earth days, circles the Sun 88 Earth days. Temperature 950 degrees Fahrenheit facing the Sun, negative 346 degrees Fahrenheit on the dark side. Our journey through the solar system is over now. But the big question for you is this. What do you think awaits for us out there in the deep, dark night of